I love food because not only does it bring people together, but we always need it. Everyone has to eat. I also love talking to entrepreneurs who are passionate about their business. It's inspiring to be around people with the same mindset. It makes me want to push myself even more. I wanted to go to Ryerson University due to the Center for Urban Innovation. It has the state-of-the-art scanning electron microscope and a confocal Raman microscope, so I knew this was the place where I wanted to be. I really appreciate Ryerson's focus on real-world application and entrepreneurship because I want to advance scientific knowledge and help society.